Hello everybody, hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome to the personal property tour for number 1, The Cribs in St Monans. This is an idyllic 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, terraced period property. It's close proximity to the Fife Coastal Path and the harbour. Fantastic views for this one, and it has its own private rear garden. It's fantastic property, everybody. You'll need to be quick for this one, so I'm going to flip the camera around now and take you on the tour. So just flip the camera. Look at that, that's how close you are to the Fife Coastal Path and the harbour. Imagine waking up to that in the morning. And then as I just pan around here, this is the property itself here. Number 1, The Cribs in St Monans. Now all the external has just been freshly painted. So it's looking absolutely stunning, looking its best right now. And here you are, from the front door, that's the view. Couldn't ask for much better than that. So let's take you on the tour. I'll just come in and shut the door. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, terrace period property. You'll see it's nice and bright as soon as you walk all in. Just been freshly decorated. So let's make our way through. So we'll start downstairs. And we'll come into bedroom number 1, which is a good sized double room, as you'll see. And I'll just make my way onto the other side of the room so you can get a good feel for the size. And then we'll make our way to the other side of the hallway and into bedroom number 2, which is a further double bedroom. And you'll see you have a storage cupboard in here as well. I'll just enter and pan around from a different angle so you can see you can get your hangers in here as well. And then we'll continue on through and make our way into bedroom number 3. This is the master room. Enormous bedroom, as you'll see. And I'll just make my way in here. And the master room, as I just enter here, benefits from ensuite, which is fully tiled. You'll see the WC, wash hand basin, and shower over the bath. So 3 huge double bedrooms downstairs with 1 benefit from ensuite. Before we head upstairs, I'll show you the rear garden. Now look how private this is. You have the outbuilding here for storage as well. That's a low maintenance private garden. So you could be out here with a barbecue, morning coffee, glass of wine in the evening. Perfect space just to relax. And then we'll continue on through and make our way upstairs. So we'll pan off to the right hand side on the upper landing first. And we'll come into bedroom number 4. Another double room, and this one has built-in wardrobes as well. And we continue on the tour. We'll pan off to the left hand side and then come into the family bathroom. So you'll see WC and shower over the bath, which is wet walled. And as I pan round, you also have your wash hand basin, but good sized family bathroom and a good standard of finish. You have the tiled flooring as well. And as we pan out there, we'll make our way through into this beautiful space, open plan, lounge, kitchen, dining area. Tastefully decorated, that you can imagine having friends in the kitchen cooking, friends on the dining table, people out here overlooking the view. Just a great entertaining space for all the friends and family. Just pan over from the other side here. And you have integrated oven, hobs and grill, and an extractor fan. But good sized kitchen, plenty of cupboard space and worktop space, as you'll see. And then just off the kitchen, it's not even finished there. It gets better because you have this utility area where you can store fridge, freezer, obviously all your appliances, boiler and washer dryer. I'm just going to pan around the kitchen dining area to the sitting room from this angle, just so you can get one last look. And then we'll make our way down here and recap. Now this is my favourite seat in the property. Look at this. So you'll sit in here with your coffee, overlooking the harbour. So everybody, thanks for watching the personal property tour for number 1, The Cribs in St Monans, an idyllic 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, terraced period property, just a few yards away from the Fife Coastal Path and the harbour. If you'd like further details on this property, give me a call today on 01334 654 221. I'm Jimmy for Fife Properties TV. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.